Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make potato and cabbage curry or aloo and gobi curry. So let's get started.
I've got here quarter drumhead cabbage, thinly sliced and rinsed, 2 medium potatoes cut into small cubes and rinsed, 1 small onion cut into small pieces, quarter cup of water, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 sprig of curry leaves cut into small pieces, salt to taste, 1 red chili cut into small pieces, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 cloves of garlic cut into small pieces, and half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds. Place a wok of fry pan on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 20 seconds. Add onions, chili, garlic and curry leaves. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 minutes. Add potatoes, half teaspoon of salt and water. Give it a mix. Cover it and cook it for 10 minutes, stirring it frequently. After 10 minutes, add cabbage, chili powder, turmeric, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well, cover it and cook it for 8 minutes, stirring it frequently. After 8 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. It needs a little bit more salt, so I'm adding extra half a teaspoon of salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn the heat off, transfer it into a dish and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. My potato and cabbage curry or aloo and gobi curry is ready and you can serve it with roti, rice or puri. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.